Hi. Do you keep training your clients even after they're on board? We offer services to our clients. Part of our value is dependent on whether or not the clients effectively use our services. So the question is, do our clients know how to use our services? Here at Simplex-IT, every quarter we offer a training session for our clients. Now, we're a managed service provider for IT services, and I don't know if you know this or not, but things change pretty quickly in the tech world. There's always something new to talk about. So these events are designed to keep our clients up to date on changes within their tech services that we provide. Some topics, they're for novices, others more advanced. Backup strategies, update to the cybersecurity threat landscape, new features and collaboration tools, that sort of thing. This helps us stay in front of our clients. Are there things you could be updating your clients on? This is a way you can keep reminding them about the value that you bring. These days, it's more important than ever to be visible and to provide constant value to your clients. How do you do it? Tell me in the comments below.